Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 6th class science. I am your science teacher from United Public School, Tandur. How are you, student? Yes, I hope you all are good and fine. So students, in our previous class we start our new chapter, our food. So students, what we discussed in our previous class? Students, we discussed in our previous class why food is important for us, why we eat food, and what is ingredients. And every single person has different taste and different choices. Let's see about food ingredients. Okay, so students, in our previous class I already tell you what is ingredients. Yes, many things are needed to prepare food. Okay, these called ingredients. Okay, let's read. Srinivas wanted to eat something special on Sunday. He asked his mother to make biryani. Srinivas wanted to help his mother. His mother asked him to prepare a list of materials which would be required to make biryani. So friends, what happened? There is a boy. His name is Srinivas. So it is the day of Sunday and he wanted to eat biryani because this is Sunday. So he go and talk to his mother and say to make biryani for him. So what happened? Yes, his mother asked him to prepare a list of material which are required, which are needed to make biryani. Okay, here is the list made by Srinivas: rice, salt, jeera, tomato, potato, onion, etc. Yes, here you can see some ingredients are there prepared by Srinivas to make biryani. So students, it is from these ingredients can we make biryani? No, we want more ingredients to make biryani. Okay, next see, Srinivas was surprised that while cooking boiled rice we needed only two materials, raw rice and water, but for making biryani we need many materials. Yes, we need many materials to make biryani. To make different kinds of food, we need different materials. These materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. Yes, students, when we are making anything like biryani, chicken, etc., we need different types of ingredients to make different types of dishes. Okay. Dear students, when you purchase packed food, biscuits or any cool drink, you will find their ingredients written on their packets. Have you observed? Dear students, do you know when we are buying something in packets, etc., you can see here in this packet they have given some ingredients. Like here you can see, when we are preparing anything we need some ingredients. Like this is a packet of Suhana chicken biryani mix. So in this we have need some ingredients to make this. Yes, to prepare this we need edible common salt, onion, garlic, ginger, mint, refined sunflower oil, black pepper, chili, cumin, etc. Here you can see this is the ingredients we use this to make this masala. So like this, when we are preparing anything we need some ingredients. Okay, hope you will understand, students. Students, have you ever thought from where these ingredients comes? Yes, it will be easy for you to say that we get vegetables and fruits from plants, eggs, milk, meat from animals. Is there any other source you can think of? Some ingredients have been listed too, given below. Here you can see, find out the sources of each ingredient. If it is a plant, mark P, because plant is begin from P letter. Okay, so when any ingredients are come from plants we have to write P. Okay, or an animal. So animal is begin with the A letter. So when any ingredients are coming with animals, what we have to write? Yes, we have to write A. Okay, or something else we have to write O. Okay, so students, here you can see some ingredients are there. Okay, in this box what we have to do? Yes, we have to write P for plant and A for animal, E for other. Okay, and name of plant or animals from where we get. Okay, here you can see cooking oil. We get cooking oil from plants. So what we have to write? We have to write P. Okay, and from which plant we get cooking oil? Yes, sunflower plant, groundnut. We get oil from which plant? Yes, sunflower plant and groundnut. Okay, let's see honey. From where we get honey? Yes, we get honey from plant and E from something else. Okay, and we get honey from which plant, which animal? Yes, from flowers by honeybees. Yes, we get honey from flowers by honeybees. Okay, next chips. Yes, we get chips from plants. Okay, and potato. Yes, we get chips from potato. Okay, and potato plant. Next, turmeric powder. Yes, turmeric. We also get turmeric from plant. So students, like that we have to complete. Next, salt, dough, mutton, rice, eggs, sugar, peanuts, etc. Here you can see I already write down. So students, today's your homework is find out the sources of ingredients in the following. Mark P for plant and A for animals and E for something else. Okay. So students, we have to write and complete this table. Okay. Hope you will understand. Write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.